We've obviously only had the one session yesterday, we've got another one today, but we're really excited for the game Wednesday. It's going to be a big one, and I know we've had a few pull-outs, but I think we're really excited about the game Wednesday. It's obviously disappointing to have people pull out, but I think the flip side of it is people are getting the opportunity, and I think hopefully we can produce a performance like we did against Belgium in the campaign, where we were under strength but pulled out a really good performance and result, and that'll be what we aim to do on Wednesday, albeit the result's not too important, but the performance is. I think for us it's more preparation for ourselves. I know Netherlands have got a different agenda to what we've got for the game, so I think they'll want to get more out of it than in their perspective is the fact that they're going to the World Cup. But I think for us, we're ready for the next campaign now, and this is sort of our last bit of preparation before we aim to qualify for the Euros, you know. So I think we're going to concentrate on us more than anything. We obviously have to worry about Holland. We know the threat they have, but this is the sort of test we want. Playing for Wales is the pinnacle of your career. It should be for everybody, I think, to represent your country. You should be proud, and every time you get the opportunity to do it, you should come and do it, especially trips like this. And I think every time you put on the shirt, it's great.